Let's keep it simple with Professor English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Professor English podcast.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're listening today. I'm Lily.
And I'm Ben. And if you're learning English and want to sound more natural, this podcast is for you.
Yes, here we focus on real conversations, simple English, and building confidence. We believe that the best way to learn a language is by having real conversations about everyday topics.
No stress, no complicated grammar, just everyday English you can actually use. We want you to feel comfortable speaking, not worried about making mistakes.
And today's topic is one of our favorites. Actually, it might be everyone's favorite topic.
Food.
We're going to talk about our favorite food and show you how to talk about food naturally in English. Food is such a universal topic. Everyone eats, everyone has preferences, and everyone has stories about food.
So while you're listening, think about your own favorite food too. What would you say if someone asked you? How would you describe it?
You can pause, repeat, and practice speaking out loud. Don't be shy. Even if you're alone, speaking out loud really helps.
All right, Lily, I'm already hungry just thinking about this conversation.
And then let's start. Let's dive into the delicious world of food. So Ben, let me ask you first. What's your favorite food?
Easy question. My favorite food is pizza. I could eat pizza every single day and never get tired of it.
Of course it is. What do you love about pizza? What makes it so special for you?
Everything. The cheese, the bread, the smell when it's fresh from the oven. It's perfect. There's something magical about that combination of crispy crust, melted cheese, and whatever toppings you choose.
What kind of pizza do you like? Are you traditional or do you like unusual toppings?
I like pepperoni pizza and cheese pizza. I like to keep it simple. Sometimes people put pineapple or strange things on pizza, but for me, the classics are the best.
Yes, the pineapple pizza debate. Some people love it, some people hate it. I'm somewhere in the middle. I don't mind it.
Really? I'm firmly in the no pineapple camp. But anyway, what about you? Do you like pizza?
Simple, but tasty. I like pizza too, but I prefer vegetable pizza. I think vegetables add freshness and different textures.
That sounds healthy. What vegetables do you like on your pizza?
Mushrooms, olives, onions, and green peppers. Sometimes I add tomatoes too. The combination of all these flavors is wonderful.
Nice. Do you like spicy food? Do you ever add hot peppers to your pizza?
A little spicy, yes, but not too spicy. I like a gentle kick of heat, not something that burns my mouth.
Same here. I once ate very spicy food and regretted it immediately. It was at a Thai restaurant, and I ordered the spiciest curry they had.
What happened? Tell me the story.
My mouth was on fire, my eyes were watering, and I couldn't talk. I drank about 5 glasses of water, but that didn't help at all. My friend told me to drink milk instead.
That sounds terrible. But yes, milk helps with spicy food better than water. Did the milk work?
Eventually, yes. It was a lesson learned. Now I always ask how spicy something is before ordering it. So, Lily, we talked about pizza, but what's your number one favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta. I think I could eat pasta in different forms forever and never get bored.
Ah, pasta. What kind of pasta? There are so many types. Spaghetti, penne, fettuccine, lasagna.
I love creamy pasta with chicken, usually fettuccine or penne. The creamy sauce coats the pasta perfectly.
That sounds delicious. Why do you like it so much? What's special about it for you?
Because it's comforting. When I eat pasta, I feel relaxed and happy. It's warm, filling, and satisfying. It's like a hug in food form.
Comfort food is the best food. Food that makes you feel good emotionally, not just physically.
Exactly. Does pizza feel like comfort food to you?
Yes, definitely. Pizza reminds me of home and family. It brings back really nice memories.
Really? Why? Tell me more about that.
Every weekend, my family ordered pizza and watched movies together. It was our tradition. Friday night meant pizza night.
That's a nice memory. Those family traditions are so important, especially when we're children.
Absolutely. Food is more than just eating. It's about memories, traditions, and connections with people we love.
I agree completely. Pasta reminds me of my mom's cooking. She would make homemade pasta sauce with fresh tomatoes from our garden.
That sounds amazing. There's nothing like homemade food. Do you like cooking your favorite food yourself?
Yes, but I'm not an expert. I can make basic pasta dishes, but nothing as good as my mom's.
Same here. I can cook basic food, eggs, rice, noodles, but complicated dishes, not so much.
That's already good. Cooking is an important skill. Even if you can just make simple meals, that's useful for everyday life.
What's the hardest food you've ever cooked? What was your biggest cooking challenge?
Lasagna. It takes time and patience. You have to make the meat sauce, cook the pasta sheets, prepare the cheese mixture, and then layer everything carefully.
Wow, that does sound complicated. I once tried to bake a cake for my sister's birthday.
How did it go? Was it successful?
Let's just say it didn't look like a cake anymore. It collapsed in the middle and the icing melted everywhere.
Practice makes perfect. Baking is actually quite scientific. You need exact measurements and temperatures.
That's true. Cooking allows more creativity and improvisation, but baking is more precise. Do you prefer eating at home or at restaurants?
I like both, but for different reasons. Home food feels warm and personal. You know exactly what's in it, and it's made with love.
And restaurant food feels special. It's nice to try dishes you wouldn't normally make at home, and you don't have to clean up afterwards.
Exactly. The no cleaning part is definitely a bonus. What's the best restaurant food you've eaten?
A big, juicy burger from a small restaurant near the beach. It had bacon, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and a special sauce. It was incredible.
That sounds good. I once had pasta at an Italian restaurant. It was amazing. The sauce was so rich and flavorful.
Do you like fast food? You know, like McDonald's, KFC, Burger King?
Sometimes, especially fries. There's something addictive about hot, crispy, salty fries.
Fries are dangerous. Once you start eating, you can't stop. They're the perfect snack or side dish or, well, sometimes just a meal by themselves.
Very true. Do you prefer sweet food or salty food?
Sweet food, definitely. I have a serious sweet tooth. I love chocolate and cake and cookies and ice cream.
What's your favorite dessert? If you could only choose one dessert to eat for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Chocolate cake. Soft and rich with thick chocolate frosting, preferably warm, maybe with ice cream on the side.
Mine is ice cream, vanilla or strawberry. Simple flavors, but so good, especially on a hot summer day.
Ice cream is perfect on hot days. Nothing cools you down like a cold, creamy scoop of ice cream.
Yes, food also depends on the weather, doesn't it? What we want to eat changes with the seasons.
Absolutely. Soup is best on cold days. A hot bowl of soup when it's cold outside is so satisfying.
And salads and light meals are better in summer when it's hot. Heavy food doesn't feel right when the temperature is high.
Do you like traditional food from your culture? The food you grew up with?
Yes, very much. Traditional food feels special. It's part of your identity and your history.
Same here. It connects us to our roots, to our grandparents and ancestors. Traditional recipes passed down through generations have so much meaning.
Have you tried food from other countries? International cuisine?
Yes, Chinese, Indian, and Italian food. Also Mexican food. I love tacos and burritos.
Which one do you like the most, if you had to pick just one?
That's hard to choose, but probably Italian food. Pasta wins again.
No surprise there. Italian food is so popular worldwide. I want to try more food from different countries.
Me too. Food helps us learn about different cultures. When you eat someone's traditional food, you learn about their history and values.
That's a beautiful way to think about it. Food is cultural education. What's a food you'd like to try that you haven't tried yet?
Authentic Japanese ramen. Not the instant noodles, but real ramen from a Japanese restaurant with the perfect broth and fresh noodles.
Oh, that sounds delicious. I'd like to try authentic French cuisine, maybe coq au vin or beef bourguignon.
If you could eat one food every day for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Pasta, no question. There are so many varieties and sauces that I'd never get bored.
Pizza for me. Always pizza. I'd probably choose a different topping each day to keep it interesting.
Hilariously loyal to your favorite food.
Pizza never disappoints. It's reliable, delicious, and versatile. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Do you have any food that you really dislike? Something you absolutely won't eat?
I don't like liver. The texture and taste are too strong for me. What about you?
I don't like blue cheese. The smell is too intense and the flavor is overwhelming.
That's fair. Everyone has foods they don't like. It's part of having personal taste.
You know what, Ben? Talking about food in English is really easy and natural.
Yes, you don't need difficult words to have a good conversation. Simple vocabulary works perfectly.
You just talk about what you like, what you eat, and why you enjoy it. You can describe flavors, textures, memories, and feelings.
And everyone eats, so everyone can talk about food. It's a universal topic that connects people.
That's why this is a great topic for English learners. It's practical, interesting, and easy to practice.
So listeners, try this. Talk about your favorite food today. Use the phrases and expressions we used in this conversation.
Say what it is, when you eat it, and why you love it. Describe the taste, the smell, the memories it brings back.
The more you practice, the more confident you become. Even just talking to yourself in English helps.
English doesn't have to be scary or stressful. It should be enjoyable.
It can be fun, just like talking about pizza and pasta and all the delicious foods in the world.
Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Don't worry about being perfect.
Focus on communicating your ideas. That's what language is really about, sharing thoughts and connecting with others.
Thank you so much for listening to the Professor English podcast. We really appreciate your time and support.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Tell your friends who are learning English.
And we'll see you in the next episode, where we'll discuss another interesting topic in simple, natural English.
Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep enjoying the journey.
Now, let's go eat.
Great idea. All this food talk has made me really hungry. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, happy learning and happy eating.